Govy Airjet, the future of urban air mobility. Unveiled by the GAC Group in December 2024, the Govy Airjet is a revolutionary composite-wing flying car that blends the efficiency of fixed-wing aircraft with the vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capabilities of multi-rotor systems. Built with over 90% carbon fiber, it is both lightweight and durable, capable of reaching speeds of 250 kilometers per hour with a range exceeding 200 kilometers. Inside, the Airjet offers a luxurious cabin featuring a 1+1 or 1+X seating layout, ensuring comfort and flexibility for passengers. It incorporates autonomous flight technology alongside advanced safety systems, including real-time monitoring and obstacle detection, to deliver a secure and seamless travel experience. Looking ahead, GAC plans to integrate the Govy Airjet into a robo-air taxi ecosystem by 2027, setting the stage for a new era of urban and intercity mobility that is faster, safer, and more sustainable. Hydrofoil jet ski, redefining the water ride. The hydrofoil stand-up jet ski is a next-generation watercraft that fuses the excitement of jet skiing with the efficiency of hydrofoil technology. Unlike traditional jet skis that skim the water's surface, this innovative design lifts above the waves, dramatically reducing drag and delivering a faster, quieter, and more energy-efficient ride. Equipped with electric propulsion, the hydrofoil jet ski is eco-friendly, producing zero emissions and minimal noise pollution. Its advanced design also enhances stability and maneuverability, making it perfect for both professional riders and water sport enthusiasts. Blending speed, sustainability, and cutting-edge engineering, this futuristic jet ski ushers in a new era of personal water mobility, where performance meets responsibility. Zoox Robotaxi, Amazon's vision for autonomous urban mobility. Amazon-owned Zoox is redefining city transportation with its fully autonomous, all-electric robotaxi designed exclusively for ride-hailing. Unlike conventional cars, Zoox features a bi-directional, symmetrical design, eliminating the concept of front and rear. This allows the vehicle to move effortlessly in any direction, boosting maneuverability in dense urban environments. China's T-Flight, redefining the future of ultra-high speed. Travel China, Aerospace, Science and Industry Corporation, CASIC, is developing T-Flight, a groundbreaking high-speed maglev transportation system designed to reach an astonishing 4,000 kilometers per hour, 2,485 miles per hour. Dubbed the Flying Train, T-Flight merges magnetic levitation technology with low-pressure vacuum tube travel, drastically reducing air resistance and friction. This next-generation system has the potential to revolutionize both intercity and international travel, slashing journey times that currently take hours by plane into just minutes. If fully realized, T-Flight would not only surpass today's Hyperloop concepts, but also set a new global benchmark for ultra-high-speed, futuristic transportation, transforming the way we connect across China and beyond. Yangwang U8, redefining luxury. Off-roading BYD's luxury brand. Yangwang introduces the U8, a groundbreaking high-tech off-road SUV that pushes the limits of innovation and performance. Equipped with 4 independent electric motors, the U8 unleashes an extraordinary 1,100 horsepower, enabling jaw-dropping capabilities such as tank turns, crab walking, and even short-distance water floating. Powered by BYD's advanced Blade battery technology, the U8 offers outstanding range, safety, and reliability, setting new benchmarks in electric SUV performance. Inside, The cabin boasts premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and refined craftsmanship, positioning it among the world's most luxurious SUVs. Combining innovative driving functions, rugged off-road dominance, and luxury refinement, the Yangwang U8 isn't just an SUV. It's a game-changer in the electric luxury SUV market.